नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बैंक पेंशनर इश्यूज के लिए पत्राचार, क्रॉसपॉन्डेंसेस, कम्युनिकेशंस लगातार चल रहे हैं। उसका कोई रिजल्ट आए ना आए ये तो बात की बात है, लेकिन पत्राचार चल रहे हैं। 27/12/24 को बीएमएस के श्री गिरीश आर्या जी ने की मुलाकात एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी डीएफएस से हुई। फिर 1 जनवरी 25 को उन्होंने पत्र एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी को लिखा और फिर 4/1 को एआईबीआरएफ के श्री एससी जैन ने बीएमएस सेक्रेटरी श्री गिरीश आर्या जी को पत्र लिखा। उसके जवाब में गिरीश आर्या जी ने भी एआईबीआरएफ को पत्र लिखा 8 तारीख को, और वो एक दूसरे को जनवरी की बधाइयां और बात कह है। उसके बाद जो मेन मुद्दा था, यस, इन केस ऑफ बैंक पेंशनर्स we have come to the conclusion that they are neglected by the existing system, and even after a clear views of the honorable finance minister stating that the pensioner made splendid contributions when they were there, emphasizing further that they should get their due and they cannot be left to fend for themselves after retirement. The finance minister clearly told the bank executives that she wants a defense ministry like culture, that is one rank, one pension. In banking, despite these favorable indications from FM, the pensioner issues were not taken up seriously. The big working unions neither took cognizance of these things nor took any action. Pensioners are living in inhuman conditions. Pay and pension are two sides of the same coin. Pension is an integral part of the service conditions. Central government pension is updated with the pay revision. Pension has been updated in the Reserve Bank of India. RBI pension scheme is the bedrock of bank pension scheme. These are admitted positions. How the unions made settlements for wage revision and left the pension revision in limbo is a big unanswered question. सिस्टम का फेलियर है, तभी तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पेंशन रेगुलेशन के ही बेस पे बना हुआ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक के पेंशन रेगुलेशंस में पेंशन रिवीजन के प्राविधान के बारे में चारों तरफ कंट्रोवर्सी है, डिस्प्यूट है। और जब आरबीआई में पेंशन लागू हो गया, पेंशन अपडेशन, पेंशन रिवीजन लागू हुआ, और पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक का पेंशन रेगुलेशन भी ऑन द सेम लाइन होने के बावजूद भी अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ। ये सिस्टम का फेलियर तो है ही। पेंशन इज नॉट ए डोल बट एन अर्न राइट। सैलरी हाइक रिपीटली एंड पेंशन हाइक नॉट इवन वंस। वी डू नॉट वांट टू गो इनटू डिटेल ऑन द फॉल्ट लाइन, but pensioners are well aware of the deliberate wrongs, dishonesty and betrayal on the part of big working unions. We never saw them agitating for pensioners, rather producing numerous hurdles, though baseless pretenses. We miserably fail to understand the reasons behind such indifferent, inhuman and humiliating acts of the working unions towards people who is their working time built mighty citadels of the unions to defend their interest. Lakhs of pensioners have died. Millions are sick, bedridden, and on the death row. The senior pensioner is the more he is the financial trouble. बात वहीं घूम फिर के आती है कि यदि वर्किंग यूनियंस ने इंटरेस्ट लिया होता तो शायद 30 साल का ये लंबा अंतराल बिना प्रॉब्लम के रिजॉल्व हुए नहीं होता। योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इस्टेब्लिश, उन्होंने फिर एआईबीआरएफ के बारे में लिखा। नेक्स्ट पैरा में लिखते हैं, यू विल नोटिस दैट इन द लास्ट 3 वे सेटलमेंट इन द लास्ट 10 years द वेज लोड्स हैव ऑलमोस्ट डबल्ड एज कंपेयर टू द 9th bipartite settlement, but the pension increase has been blocked at the level of 9th bipartite settlement by introducing a special allowance. We understand that pensioners were victims of the over-optimism. The circumstances kept going against them again and again, and they remained a helpless mute spectator when anti-pension special allowance was brought in. We did not see any resentment among working pensioners. They welcomed settlements, applauded leaders, and paid hefty levies in addition to the monthly subscription. In such a situation, taking seriously the issues raised by pensioner activists and keeping human concern and the sensitive paramount from 2020, BMS has taken the step of raising the issues of bank pensioner at the government level. We do not boast having done something substantial or achieved very meaningful things, but for sure we can say that frozen situation have started melting. We look to the solution of main issue of pension revision concerning all pensioner, which is not yet decided. The meeting with the Joint Secretary on 27 December was in the same sequence. Earlier representative of the financial sector unions affiliated to BMS had met the Honorable Finance Minister. They placed their issues. The undersigned raised the issues of pensioners. After this, we also met the Secretary DFS. We feel that there is an urgent need to strengthen the unity of pensioner. This kind of the fragmentation is not good at all. People can work with the difference of opinions. There is no difference of opinion regarding the issues of pensioner. Only wage and means may be different, which can be worked out. No one's ego should come in the way of the important work. We hope you will strive hard to let it happen. Suffering pensioners' well-being is of the paramount importance for the BMS. We are completely dedicated to work for bank pensioner on humanitarian ground, as we cannot remain mute spectators to the ill treatment and injustice meted out to the senior and the super senior pensioner who served the country and the people in their prime youth and created a world-class banking system in India. You're welcome. और इस पत्र के बाद एक हमारे पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट श्री यस गणपति ने अपने उद्गार व्यक्त किए. Our fervent appeal to all pensioners association to come together. We welcome the letter of 8 January 24 of the BMS General Secretary for their concerned efforts on our pensioner efforts with the government. We thank them and support their good deeds. As mooted in their letter, why not all India pensioners bodies of all the unions has come together, forgetting their ego and fight, come together in the great interest of the 8 lakh of pensioners for a confederation immediately to focus on common issues instead of being disjointed. We have wasted more than 30 years on internal squabbles. Please put a full stop. This is the crucial need and urgency at the hour. Do or die. Please contemplate. Will you come together? Unity is strength. Pensioners unity long live. Updation of pension on RBI lines is our motto. Yes, गणपति एक्टिविस्ट. सारे बातों का सार एक है कि हम सब लोग मिलके, सारे यूनियन, सारे एक्टिविस्ट मिलके एक हों और अपनी आवाज उठाएं, ताकि जो बीएमएस हमको सपोर्ट कर रहा है उसकी आवाज वित्त मंत्री के तक नॉक करे. और जो सबसे अहम मुद्दा बैंक पेंशनर का है, बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन, वो इस वर्ष जरूर से जरूर इंप्लीमेंट हो. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. नमस्ते.